Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm heading out to my brother's shop where my brother Joel and his son Matt are going to be replacing lifters on a 2007 GMC Sierra. Thanks for joining me. Today I am heading out to my brother's shop where they are changing out the lifters on a 2007 GMC Sierra.
Yeah, my brother. He's the one that owns the Volkswagen. Oh.
So they've got the valve covers off, they've got the intake taken off, and the valley pan removed. And to change out these lifters, you do need to remove the heads. And so they did need to go get some head gaskets and some coolant, a couple other things from the parts store before they can continue with the job. So again, they do just need to remove those heads and then they can change out the lifters.
So what we're going to need to do is we're going to have to pull all the rockers so we can relieve the tension off the valve springs. We're going to need to pull off the exhaust manifolds, at least pull them away. And then we're going to need to actually unbolt the heads so we can get at the lifters, which we have number 4 is completely collapsed. And we'll see what else we find. Hopefully that's going to be it.
So, because Snap-on makes a Wobble and a Wobble Plus.
They do.
Very nice.
The Wobble Plus basically means if you push it on all the way, it's a normal extension.
Oh, okay. And then if it's
And then if you pull it out a little bit, it wobbles.
Yep.
very nice.
They're actually very nice. I have a few wobble extensions like that.
That little 1-inch extension is a $20 extension from
jeez.
Snap-on.
Wow.
Of course it is.
I only paid like $10 because it was on sale.
$20 extension, so yeah, that's pretty much.
I'm not that fat.
I miss my gray Chevy.
Why? Because it didn't have issues?
Yes. Joe, riddle me this one. My gray Chevy had the same front end. It had the same front end components as a Ford Raptor.
Odd.
Oh, I need a short socket. Well, we're right behind the fucking Casey's.
And
Since they make pizza, they get attracted to the grease smell.
yeah.
Okay, get out of there.
No.
Right? Kind of the same thing you were saying.
Whole upper end clacking because the lifter collapsed.
And I have heard of some people that I know. Not me personally do I know him, but I have heard that if the lifter collapses on the fucking shit with cylinder deactivation and you drive it long enough, then their camshaft will fucking go to shit too.
It can.
Yes, it can.
A 3S10.
These plugs look a little worn.
Yeah, I think they're original.
That's what I thought. That's
Okay,
exactly what I
All right, hold on. I need to grab this
I will
because
try
I need.
and stay out of your way. Now he took your step stool there, Matt.
Step stool. Just kind of hand it towards me. I got it.
Wow.
And we're out.
Hold on.
Before you put that on, what
Here, I'm
is
gonna like
this?
crawl up from the.
A bracket to hold everything.
Oh,
Here, hold on. I'm gonna
Okay.
crawl up right here and set it back in the way I took it out.
Okay. Yeah, these are what are called cathedral ports.
Oh, yeah, I see why.
what's that? Ow.
They're called cathedral ports because of how they're done.
Because of how
They're
they're
like
shaped.
cathedral windows. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, that is.
Yeah, maybe.
Do you need some help?
It's not fucking.
Speaking of lifter tick, listen to the semi.
There we go.
There we go. It's on. All right, so we got the heads back on. We got the valley pan back on. And we're going to be putting the valve covers, intake, and getting this buttoned up. So now we do have the engine all buttoned up. And we just need to add coolant and fire it up. And so you guys know, this is the problem that we're working with. This is a collapsed lifter for the active displacement system. This is what a normal lifter for the active displacement should look like. This is why this engine actually came in and was making as much noise as it was, because this thing is shot. All right, so we're going to get it filled up with coolant and get this to fire. So we do have a cylinder 6 misfire that we did trace down to a bad coil. We're going to get that taken care of, get this buttoned up, and get it back to the owner.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.